So, this is the Mauno DGM20 and it's a space saver mic para sa test mo while retaining a good quality. Let's check it out. Unboxing it is quite straightforward. Meron kang makakuhang mic and a Type-C cable to power it. Now, kung gusto nyo magamit yung noise cancelling ng microphone na to, you can actually download an app, galing kay Mauno din, para nasa-set nyo mismo yung level ng noise cancelling na gusto nyo as well as nakakapag-sound enhancement pa kayo. So now, I have this mic hooked up dyan sa camera ko gamit yung headphone jack, and ito yung audio level na nakukuha natin sa microphone as well as yung expected distance natin sa kanya at around 50% level. Now, let me try raising the volume up and siguro magiging masakit na sa ulo dahil masyado na malakas. So, let me put it back down. Now, raw audio lang yan and let me try turning on the noise reduction. And ito naman yung with noise reduction on at around 90%, same distance as expected ng use case ng ganitong microphone. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng microphone na no-brainer is set up, easy to use as well as space-friendly, plus maganda pa yung quality ng audio, why not check this one out?